So 2023 has been an amazing year. I feel like I found my life's task, and as I move forward, more doors keep opening. I believe strongly that we are at the end of a cycle of weak men and good times. And you know what comes next, don't you? Hard times. Luckily, these hard times are going to create more strong men. And this has already been happening. The weak men are still out there causing stress in the system. They're breaking whatever is left to be broken and screaming, crying. Why don't you come join us? Why don't you come break things with us? Few are listening. It seems like we're all collectively fed up with the indulgence and degeneracy. These weak men are the last members of the do whatever makes you happy cult. They have thoroughly proven to the rest of us that doing just whatever makes you happy doesn't make you happy. They are the most miserable among us. It turns out that the difficult things, the most painful things, these are the most rewarding in life. Delayed gratification is rewarding. Sacrifice is rewarding. Living for the moment is not rewarding. When you live for the moment, you rob yourself of your future. And that is exactly what's happened. Now it's up to us, those of us who are willing to piece it back together. There will be those who go their own way, but I fear that they are limiting themselves. To build the future that we want for ourselves and our loved ones, we must be in the trenches. We start with our health, and we ensure our progress by helping others who want what we have. This is sober fitness. The next step will be greatness in building our new Atlantis.